couple of days ago, we pointed out that Google's earnings might be better than expected, and that is what has turned out to be the case. It's currently now up around 6.6% in this post market session. Intraday high of 171.45 was printed. And here they are saying that it's printing higher prices in this post market session after the company's first quarter earnings exceeded expectations. Adjusted earnings per share were solid at $2.85 versus Wall Street's estimate of 2.01 and up $1.89 last year. Revenue for the quarter reached $90.23 billion, above expectations of $89.17 billion and up to 12% on the year. Alphabet stock was up 5% in this, more than that in this post market session. And they are pleased with their strong Q1 results, which reflect healthy growth and momentum across the business, according to CEO of the company. Underpinning this growth is their unique full stack approach to AI. The revenue built was built on the company's performance in search ads, its third-party ad network through other services like Google Play Store, and also yes, the fact that the dollar is also weak against the euro. This, in some part, contributed to all of these, especially with search ads, and this these services where they have. I mean, you don't need to. You and I know very well that Google is strong. Google is strong everywhere in the world. In Europe, very strong. So in Europe, a very very key market, a very large market. You find out that there may have been um, a more inclination to buy some of these services that Google offers. So as things stand right now in this post market session, we have seen a lot of tech related stocks have this unique resistance that is posed by their 40 period moving average. We saw this with SMCI, and fortunately, the good news is out there now, and it has moved higher. So this is likely to print this. It has already printed that. It has already printed something higher than that, 171. So this has already been met. So we're looking at where is it now currently trading at? It's trading at 168.26. So this is already met. Yeah, once this is where it is right now. So the next challenge will be its 200-day moving average. Yeah, 200. Yeah, 160. That moving average is where? Let's see. That moving average is at 174. Is it where it is? 174. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Let's have a look at it 4-hour chart to see what it's projecting. Let's see. Yeah. Here it's getting resistance from. There's a staunch resistance here. Very very strong resistance here at this level 168.51. It has already printed higher than that, but it pulled back 171 somewhere around here. So yeah, 171. Yeah, there is a couple of resistances here. You can see that. So somewhere around here. I guess that's why it pulled back. So if it breaks through here, then this is likely 171.440. The retest of that high might be that intraday high might happen again, 171.45. Yeah, that's what's going on. What are the odds that it's going to print? It's going to get to these highs of around 180.74. What are the odds? So better than expected earnings for Google. Have a look, and in a very short time, things are looking good. Let's go back to this daily chart and see. Let's go back to the daily chart. Nothing fantastic. Just a very short term play. When the market opens, all of this will be will be reviewed. So I'm not going to continue to discuss that. So this is the 4-hour chart is active, so that's what we are going to stick with. Higher prices are projected, but this is still we're not out of the woods yet. The Mark 7 stocks are expected to continue to print lower prices, especially maybe after May or thereabout. So maybe in a very short term. But even at that, in the short term, maybe not, maybe, we have here, this has registered this current positive earnings outcomes. So it's just only projecting higher prices up till the end of this month, and after that it's weakness. Yeah, so we're not out of the woods yet. Better than expected outcomes. These stocks, it's believed that they were pumped a lot over the, I think, since you could say even since late October of 2023. Yeah, it's believed they have been pumped. So if you like, there's a need for them to reconsolidate some of those the gaps, if you like, the highs, the strengths, the gaps, the highs they have printed. There's a big need, if you like, for them to get them all compacted and contracted. So let's see what how things pan out. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.